Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you to log into your existing account on Betway. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Betway application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage from which you will be able to see various different games that are ongoing. In order to log in, tap on the login button at the top section and now you will be asked to enter your credentials. Type in your account username within the username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Betway account right away. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials by entering your email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Betway. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.